Cast on the number of the stitches, multiply to 12 plus 10 stitches for symmetry and 2 selvages. The first row, work all knit stitches. The second row, 5 knit stitches, 12 purl stitches and 5 knit stitches. The third row, 5 knit stitches and start knitting the pattern. Work 2 knit stitches, slip 4 stitches on the additional needle. Work 4 knit stitches. And also work 4 knit stitches from the additional needle. The remained 5 stitches for symmetry, work with knit stitches. The fourth row, 5 knit stitches, 12 purl stitches and 5 knit stitches. The fifth row, work all knit stitches. The sixth row, 5 knit stitches, 12 purl stitches and 5 knit stitches. The seventh row, 5 knit stitches and start knitting the pattern. Slip 4 stitches on the additional needle and let the needle in front, 4 knit stitches. Further from the additional needle, work 4 knit stitches and another 4 knit stitches. The remained 5 stitches for symmetry, work as knit stitches. The eighth row, 5 knit stitches, 12 purl stitches and 5 knit stitches. Further repeat from the first to the eighth row.